Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious and aromatic black pepper chicken curry with cashews. This dish is packed with flavors and is perfect for any occasion. So let's get started. In a hot pan, take 1 tablespoon oil. Here I'm taking olive oil. You can add your favorite oil. I'm going to add some raw spices here like 3 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick and 4 green cardamom. Here I'm adding 1 medium-sized onion, thinly sliced, or you can slice it like this. Ginger, garlic, coarsely crushed, or you can add the paste. Green chili, this is optional. If you like green chili for a little spice, you can add it, or you can substitute it with a Thai chili. Here I'm adding half cup of cashews. We're going to cook this in medium-high heat for 5 minutes so that the raw taste and smell of the ginger, garlic, onion goes. Once it's done, we'll turn the gas stove off and let it cool down. Once it's cool, we're going to blend this into puree. In the same pan, I'm going to add ghee here. I'm taking 1 tablespoon ghee. And here I've taken 2 chicken thighs, finely cube it like this, and adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of black pepper, coarsely crushed, and salt. Marinate it well. Now we're going to cook the chicken in this ghee, hot ghee, and add the puree. This puree is made with that onion sauteed with cashews. We're going to add this to this chicken. Here I'm taking half cup of yogurt. We add yogurt here so that it balances the taste of the cashews, onions and everything. And here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And let it cook for 5 minutes. Here I'm adding garam masala. It's all spices that we use, not the one we get here in American stores. Our spices included like fennel seed is there, then cumin seed, coriander seed, lot of other spices we blend together to make this garam masala. Let me know in the comments if you want to know more about it. Close the lid and let the chicken and everything cook well. And we're going to garnish it with cilantro. This is a 15-minute chicken recipe you can make in less than 30 minutes. You have the rice and chicken ready and the meal is done. Very tasty, delicious recipe. And here you can see how gorgeous it looks. There's no extra spices. The garam masala that we added brings a very rich aromatic flavors to this. And here you can see finally the chicken is done. It took 15 minutes to prepare the whole recipe and it's done. We can serve this hot. And here you can see how gorgeous it looks. It's very tasty, creamy chicken recipe. Here we have not added any turmeric powder or any other spices like that. But here you can see how beautiful it looks. We're going to pair this with rice. You can have this with naan also. And your black pepper chicken curry with cashew is ready. Garnish with coriander, cilantro and serve hot with steamed rice or naan as I mentioned. And this curry is rich, creamy and full of bold flavors. Give it a try and let us know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes. See you next time. Till then, bye bye and take care.